Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today we are going to learn how to spell and read khara zabar. Some students you may learn it as standing zabar or standing fatha. So if you have learned it as standing fatha or standing zabar, you just say standing zabar or standing fatha instead of khara zabar. Rest of things same. Let's start. Hamza khara zabar a, ba khara zabar ba, ta khara zabar ta, ثا خرا زبر ثا جيم خرا زبر جا حا خرا زبر حا خا خرا زبر خا دال خرا زبر دا ذال خرا زبر ذا را خرا زبر را زا خرا زبر زا سين خرا زبر سا شين خرا زبر شا صاد خرا زبر صا ضاد خرا زبر ضا طا خرا زبر طا ظا خرا زبر ظا عين خرا زبر ع غين خرا زبر غا فا خرا زبر فا قاف خرا زبر قا كاف خرا زبر كا لام خرا زبر لا ميم خرا زبر ما نون خرا زبر نا واو خرا زبر وا ها خرا زبر ها همزة خرا زبر ا يا خرا زبر يا. Now exercise. Hamza khara zabur a, ya khara zabur ya, ya tadirti ayati. Please repeat each word minimum 15 to 20 times. Like Hamza khara zabur a, ya khara zabur ya, ya tadirti ayati. Hamza khara zabur a, ya khara zabur ya, ya tadirti ayati. Like this. ذال خرا زبر ذا لام زيلي ذالي كاف زبر كا ذاليكا. Again ذال خرا زبر ذا لام زيلي ذالي كاف زبر كا ذاليكا. همزة خرا زبر آ ميم زبر ما آما نون واو بشنو آمانو. We see there are two rules of long. In the first letter khara zabur, so make it long, and the last letter noon has pesh. After pesh waw sakin, it is also madde asli. So this letter also, this pesh also saki madde asli. So make the first letter sound and the last sound long. Amanu. Ta khara zabur ta, nun zerni tani, kaf zabur ka tanika. Hamza sad zabur as, ha khara zabur ha, asha, ba pesh bu ashabu. Keep in mind, Swad, one of 7 full mouth letters. You know that there are 7 full mouth letters: Kha, Swad, Dwat, Twa, Zwa, Ghain, and Qaf. So whenever you see any of these letters, make it sound full mouth. Ashabu. Mim ra pesh mur, sin khara zabur sa, mursa, ha alif zabur ha, mursaha. Ya khara zabur ya, nun waw pesh nu, ya nu, ha pesh hu. Ya Nuhu. There are two madde asli. First khara zabur madde asli. Second after pesh waw second it is also madde asli. So make each sound one alif long. Ya Nuhu. Ba zabur ba, ra zabur ra, bara, kaf khara zabur ka, baraka, ta dui der tin, barakatin. Ha khara zabur ha, zal alif zabur za, hadha. There are also two madde asli. Ha has khara zabur, so it's madde asli, and we see on zal zabur, after zabur empty alif, madde asli. So both same long. Hadha. Hamza zer I, lam khara zabur la, ila, hadui zer hin, ilahin. Kaf zer ki, ta alif zabur ta, kita, ba pesh bu, kitabu. Hamza ain zer I, ta zabur ta, i'ta, ra khara zabur ra, i'tara, kaf zabur ka, i'taraka. Letter ra would be sometimes full mouth and sometimes empty mouth based on its rule. So just know that if ra has zabur or khara zabur, then ra would be full mouth. There we see the ra has khara zabar, so make it full mouth. I'taraka, never say i'taraka. It's wrong. I'taraka is wrong. It would be i'tara, ra, i'taraka. Ya khara zabar ya, sad khara zabar sa, ya sa, lamzeli, ya sali, hapishhu, ya salihu. غاين خرج زبر غا واو يا زروي غاوي نون زبر نا غاوينا. We see there are also two madde asli. First one khara zabur madde asli, make it long, one alif, and the second one zer, after zer ya sakin madde asli, so both same long. غاوينا. Another thing, ghain is a full mouth letter, so make it sound full mouth. Gha, never say gawina, is wrong. It would be غاوينا. Hamza khara zabur a, lamzeli, ali, ha zabur ha, aliha, tazirti, alihati, nun alif zabur na, alihatina. There are also two madde asli. First one khara zabur, madde asli, and the last one zabur after zabur empty alif, madde asli. So make long, alihatina. Ya khara zabur ya, hawao pesh hu, yahu, dal pesh du, yahudu. There are also two madde asli. First one khara zabur madde asli, and the second one pesh, after pesh waw again madde asli. Bazer bi, sin zabur sa, bisa, lam khara zabur la, bisala, mim duizer min, bisalamin. Ba zabur ba, nun khara zabur na, bana, tazerti, banati. Hamza khara zabur a, ya zabur ya, aya, tadui zabur tan, ayatan. Sin zabur sa, lam khara zabur la, sala, mim dui peshmun, salamun. Hamza sinjer is, ha khara zabur ha, isha, qaf zabur qa, ishaqa. Ha from center of throat. You know there are two ha. This ha is from center of throat. Make pressure from center of throat. Isha, and qaf always full mouth and echo sound. Ishaqa. Bashin jabur bash, shin ra jabur shar, bashar, nun khara jabur na, basharna, hapesh hu, basharnahu. Look, there is another rule of ra. If ra has sakin preceded by zabar or pesh, then ra would be full mouth. So we see there is sakin on ra preceded by zabar. That's why ra would be full mouth. Bashar, bashar, make full mouth. Never say basharnahu, is wrong. It will be full mouth. Basharnahu. Ya khara zabur ya, lam waw peshlu, ya lu, ta peshtu, ya lu tu. Za khara zabur za, lam zeli, zali, mim ya mi, zalimi, nun zabur na, zalimina. There are also two madde asli. Khara zabur, madde asli, and look, mim has there, after there ya sakin, so it is also madde asli. Another thing, zwa is a full mouth letter. Although zwa is light letter, but it sound be full mouth. Zwa, never say zwa, don't pressure. Just softly but full mouth. Zalimina. Lam zabur la, hamza khara zabur a, la a, ya zabur ya, la aya, tadui zabur tan, la ayatan. Sin zabur sa, mim khara zabur ma, sama, waw khara zabur wa, samawa, tapeshtu, samawatu. Kha khara zabur kha, lam zeli, khali, dal dui pesh dun, khalidun. Ha zabur ha, sin zabur sa, hasa, nun khara zabur na, hasana, tadui zertin, hasanatin. Qaf ra pesh qur, hamza khara zabur a, qur'a, nun dui zabur nan, qur'anan. Okay, when we see after two zabur there is an empty alif, while spelling we don't need to spell empty alif, just spell nun dui zabur nan. That's it, enough. Actually, empty alif works differently. We will discuss later, inshallah. And make the ra sound full mouth. If ra has sakin preceded by pesh or zabar, then ra would be full mouth. So make this ra sound full mouth. Qur'anan. Never say Qur'anan. It's wrong. It will be Qur'anan. Hamza khara zabur a, lam zeli, আলি, হা জবর হা, আলিহা, হামিম জবর হাম, মিম খরা জবর মা, হাম্মা, তাজের তি, হাম্মাতি. Remember, if we see mim mushaddad or nun mushaddad, mim mushaddad means mim which has tashdid on it, and nun mushaddad means nun which has tashdid on it. The rule is when we see either mim mushaddad or nun mushaddad, we must hold our sound there 1 second and make it nasal sound, ham, like this, ham. So there are two things. First, hold your sound for 1 second, making nasal sound, and then we see there is kharajabor, so it is moddasi, make it 1 alif long, hammati, hammati. Never say hammati or hammati, no. First hold ham, then make it long, hammati. বাজের বি, হামজা খরা জবর আ, বি আ, ইয়াজ খরা জবর ইয়া, বি আয়া, তাজের তি, বি আয়াতি, nun alif জবর না, বি ayatina. In this word we see there are 3 মধ্যে আসলি. First one has khara zabor, then again khara zabor, then the last one was zabor, after zabor empty alif মধ্যে আসলি. So 3 মধ্যে আসলি, 3 sound long, বি ayatina. হামজা খরা জবর আ, খাজের খি, আখি, রা জবর রা, আখিরা, তা দুই জবর তান, আখিরাতান. Ra would be full mouth. Kha, although full mouth letter, but if full mouth letter has there, then it is not mandatory to make it full mouth sound. It's normal sound, no problem. Akhiratan, but Ra full mouth must. Akhiratan. Hamza khara zabur a, dal zabur da, ada, mim zabur ma, adama. Hamza khara zabur a, mim zabur ma, ama, nun zabur na, amana. মিম খরা জবর মা, লামজেলি, মালি, কাফজের কি, মালিকি. হামজা জবর আ, বা জবর বা, আবা, ওয়াও খরা জবর ওয়া, আবা ওয়া, হা পেশ হু, আবা ওয়াহু. সিনলাম পেশ সুল, তোয়া খরা জবর ত, সুল ত, নুন দুই জের নিন, সুল ত নিন. ইয়া খরা জবর ইয়া, সদ আলিফ জবর স, ইয়া স, হাজের হি, ইয়া সহি, বা জবর বা, ইয়া সহিবা. বা জবর বা, কফ জবর ক, বা ক, রা খরা জবর র, বা ক র, তা 2 জের 3 or তা 2 জের 3, বা ক র 3. Please practice each word minimum 15 to 20 times. And even if you see that still you need more practice repeatedly. But keep in mind, until you can spell and read smoothly, you must keep practicing. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.